Welcome back to. Today, we're diving into a topic that's become increasingly relevant in our fast-paced, multitasking-driven world. We often hear that doing more is the key to success, but is it really? In this video, we're going to explore the idea that focusing on one thing at a time might be the secret to achieving your goals. So stay tuned as we break down the science and strategies behind singular focus. In a world where the ability to multitask is often celebrated, it's time to bust the multitasking myth. The truth is, our brains aren't designed for true multitasking. We may think we're getting more done, but the reality is quite different. So, why is it so essential to focus on one task at a time? Our brains are remarkable, but they have their limitations. While we can switch between tasks quickly, deep focus on one thing is where true productivity lies. Trying to do too much at once spreads our attention thin, making it challenging to excel in any one area. So how can we cultivate the power of singular focus? The first step is to prioritize. By identifying the tasks that truly matter, we can dedicate our full attention to them, ensuring quality over quantity. It's easy to get lost in a sea of tasks, but the key is to recognize the tasks that will propel us towards our goals. We'll discuss strategies for identifying what truly matters and how to set aside less important distractions. While we should focus on our unique journey, it's also valuable to be aware of what's happening around us. Looking at external benchmarks such as industry standards and competitor performance can provide us with insights and set realistic goals. We'll explore the benefits of benchmarking, including the motivation it can provide and how it can help us reach new levels of performance. To reach the next level in our careers, we must be prepared. Continuous learning is key. Let's discuss how we can identify the skills and knowledge required for our future roles and start developing them today. We'll look at strategies for personal growth, the importance of staying engaged with learning, and how it can ultimately position us for future opportunities. While the task at hand is important, it's equally crucial to maintain a long-term vision. By setting ambitious, achievable goals and breaking them down into smaller steps, we can stay motivated and on track. We'll dive into the concept of setting big, audacious goals and the motivation they can provide. We'll also discuss how breaking these goals down into actionable steps makes them more attainable. And there you have it, the case for why focusing on one thing at a time is so important. Whether it's about prioritization, benchmarking, continuous learning, or setting long-term goals, singular focus can be the key to your success. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.